Welcome to Straight from the Source, from your association, the Illinois Retail Merchants Association. Recently, we've seen efforts to discredit the true impact of retail crime on businesses large and small. It's a troubling development, especially since many of those raising doubts about the impact of retail theft are relying on narrow and incomplete data and ignoring what's really happening on the ground. It's important we set the record straight, and that is the focus of this week's Straight from the Source. First, enforcement of retail theft laws are very erratic. While these crimes may be prosecuted in cities like New York, they go largely unprosecuted in cities such as San Francisco, Los Angeles, Seattle, and Chicago. This lack of prosecution leads to the second point: substantial underreporting. Unfortunately, many retailers and street-level police alike don't bother reporting the crime since they know no one will be held accountable. It's hard to blame them, but this creates the statistical myth that retail theft isn't that bad. The third point is that when reporting it does happen, it is inconsistent. Some jurisdictions report it as shoplifting, others as theft, robbery, property crimes, or other crimes. This lack of inconsistent identification of the crime means law enforcement data cannot solely be relied upon for a full picture of the problem. The final point for today is that retail theft is not a victimless crime. We are all victims. Each item stolen is lost sales tax revenue that supports our communities, meaning less funding for law enforcement, human services, parks, roads, and many other programs. Meanwhile, organized retail theft funds additional crime, including drugs, guns, and human trafficking. Finally, there is the ripple effect of higher prices, fewer jobs, less pay and benefits, and store closures. Retail theft is a real and growing problem, and it has real-world impacts that cannot be denied and should not be downplayed, and they affect us all. It's time to take retail theft seriously, because it is a serious crime.